Welcome to Cooking with Rod. I got a great recipe for you today, so here we go. Okay, well this recipe has gone super viral not too long ago. Boursin Cheese Baked Pasta. Okay, this recipe is from modernhoney.com. This Boursin Cheese Baked Pasta is ultra creamy, rich, and packed with roasted tomato flavor. Garlic roasted cherry tomatoes baked alongside a wheel of herb Boursin cheese. Then get stirred into a silky sauce and tossed with the pasta. It's an easy oven-driven pasta dish that delivers big flavor and minimal effort. Alright, first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius. Alright, we need to chop up our garlic and our parsley. Okay, we're going to add our cherry tomatoes to the baking dish. We're going to sprinkle that with some minced garlic, drizzle it with a bit of olive oil, season with salt and black pepper and red pepper flakes if you like it a little spicy. Then you're going to toss that around to get it all coated. Okay, you want to make sure that your tomatoes are evenly distributed all around the cheese. Then you're going to place your Boursin cheese wheel in the center of the dish. Place that in the oven uncovered for 35 to 45 minutes. And you want to cook that until the tomatoes burst and the cheese is soft and melty. Okay, in the meantime, you can boil whatever pasta you're using in well salted boiling water until al dente. Reserve a half a cup of pasta water, then drain. Alright, we'll remove the baking dish from the oven. Stir the tomatoes and Boursin together. Gently crush the tomatoes to form a creamy sauce. Okay, you're going to add your cooked pasta to the baking dish and toss until evenly coated. Add the reserved pasta water a little at a time to loosen up the sauce if needed. Well, looks like my little AI friend changed up the pasta on me. Anyways, we're gonna finish it with some chopped parsley and optional grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, if you have leftover pasta, you're gonna want to let that cool completely. Then you want to place that in airtight containers. You always want to label your stuff for the date and what it is. Place that in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Okay, you're going to remove that from the fridge and toss it in a bowl. Okay, for the microwave, you're going to add a splash of water or milk. Cover loosely and heat in 30-second intervals, stirring in between. Just give it a quick toss and serve. You can reheat this on the stove. Reheat gently on medium-low with a splash of liquid. And then serve that up in a bowl. Okay, there you have it. Viral Boursin cheese pasta. Short pasta shapes work best for holding the sauce. Sauce thickens as it cools and loosen it with pasta water or cream if needed. Add cooked chicken, shrimp, or Italian sausage for protein. Spinach or roasted zucchini makes an easy veggie add-in. So there it is. Enjoy. Alright, thanks for watching Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make this recipe will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends.